Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and in this tutorial video, I'll show you how to customize the F3 menu in Minecraft. This is the current situation. To open the customization menu, you must press F3 and F6. If you want to remove information that is already in the F3 menu, you must click the off button next to it. If you want to add information that is not in the F3 menu, you should click the in F3 button. If you activate Always option for an info, it will still appear in the upper left and right corners of the screen even when the F3 menu is closed. You can also enable performance mode. When this setting is enabled, it automatically customizes your F3 menu to focus entirely on improving FPS. Finally, if you want to reset the settings and return to the default F3 menu, simply click on Default Profile. I hope this how to customize F3 menu in Minecraft tutorial video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.